Good afternoon, all of you. Hope everybody is fine. And back to soft skills class. So in the previous class, we have discussed about self-introduction, and we also witnessed a video on interview. So today, the topic of discussion is interview skills. Okay, as you are in the third year right now, and within a short span of time you are going to start your job hunting. Okay, so now it is the right time for you to know what is interview and what are the tips to be followed to crack a job in interview. Okay, yeah, very good. Let's wait for 30 more seconds. Still people are joining, and then we'll start. So the session goes like this. I share a PPT with you, and when the PPT is displayed on the screen, I want one or the other person to take chance to read the content which is displayed on PPT. Fine? So that I'll explain what is what, right? Yeah. Yeah, shall we start then? In case if anybody is ready to give self-introduction, you're welcome. You can unmute yourself. I have given the option for you to unmute yourself. You can unmute yourself and you can say whatever you want, or in case if you want to convey anything, you can unmute yourself and can convey. If nobody is there to give self-introduction, we start with today's topic, that is interview skills. Fine. Then let me share the screen. May I know whether the screen is displayed or not? Anybody unmute yourself and please tell me.
Visible, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, dear. Fine. So, as we discussed previously, the struggle, whatever you have taken for long, like 15 years or 16 years, is to get placed in the companies. Okay, to get placed in the companies. You have that, you are pursuing your BTech, and you are also pursuing your intermediate and 10th standard. If you can remember how much struggle, just recollect how much struggle you have taken when you were giving your exam, 10th board exams. Okay, you were under stress, let me tell you. Okay, so all that pain, and many times going to classes without having breakfast, without having lunch, though not interested, though feeling hungry, and especially though you are not well also, you might have attended classes. All this, even your parents admitted you in KG with an intention, yeah, my daughter or my son one fine day should be independent, should be in a good position. That was the main target. So as you are just one step ahead to that, okay, now the time has come to put the serious efforts. Okay, so when the situation is demanding to do exactly what is required, you have to know about that in detail. You should know what are its do's and what are its don'ts. Okay, now interview. Yes, anybody please unmute yourself and give a reading.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Ma'am, shall I start reading?
Yes, with pleasure, my dear.
Okay, ma'am. Interview skills. Success in a job interview depends on knowledge, self-confidence, good speaking skills, and use of appropriate interview strategy.
Yes. Well read. May I know who's that?
Padmini, ma'am.
Hi, Padmini. Well read, my dear.
Thank you, ma'am.
Interview skills. You see, success in a job interview depends on knowledge, self-confidence, good speaking skills, and the use of appropriate interview strategy. Okay, so if you are doing all these things, then you will be in a position to crack the job. Okay, so success depends upon mainly on, first of all, knowledge. The knowledge whatever you are obtaining, you are getting in your BTech course. Okay, 4 years of BTech, that knowledge is required. Okay, and mind you, that knowledge should be converted into a skill. Okay, only knowledge it's not sufficient. You need knowledge, along with that knowledge should be converted into a skill. So a job interview depends on knowledge, and then you should be self-confident. Okay, if you are not confident when you go to interviews and all, you that lack of confidenceness will be reflected in your body language. So again, it will be a big minus for you. So you should be self-confident and good speaking skills. You should be capable of speaking fluent English. Okay, you should have good speaking skills and use of appropriate interview strategy. Okay, so what is the strategy to be followed to crack the job? You should know that. If all these are done, then you will be successful in cracking a job. Understood? So with this note, let us move on to how you are supposed to plan for the interview and how the HR people, how they plan. Okay? Yes. Yeah. Anybody, please give a reading.
Ma'am, can I read?
Pleasure, my dear.
Planning. The basic structure of a job interview is planned for effective results. The interviewer may plan and generate specific questions for each candidate. Purpose. The purpose of the HR interview is to test the personality traits of a candidate and assess the skills of how the candidate behaves in certain situations.
Thank you, ma. Thank you, Pujita. Is it Pujita?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you, my dear. Yeah, planning. The basic structure of a job interview is planning for effective results. The interviewer may plan and generate specific questions for each candidate. Purpose. The purpose of the HR interview is to test the personality traits of a candidate and assess the skills of how the candidate behaves in certain situations. Okay, a small correction is required in the purpose paragraph. The second line, it is not traits, it is traits, personality traits. Traits means characteristic features. Okay, right. Now planning. The basic structure of a job interview is planning for effective result. The main ultimate goal is we want effective result. So the interviewer, okay, the interviewer may plan and generate specific questions. So when he is coming to attend, when the HR panel is coming to visiting our college to place some people, to interview some people, he will come prepared. He will generate few questions depending upon the type of platform they need for. Okay, based on that, they frame the questions and they come, and finally they want the effective result. Okay, planning. Then let us see the purpose. By the way, before I go to this purpose, just can anybody just tell me what exactly is an interview? Anybody unmute yourself and can say, what is an interview according to you? What you think an interview is according to you? In your words, please define it. Anybody? Don't know what is interview?
Madam,
Yes.
according to me, judging a person whether the person is fit for a job or not.
Okay. according to you, to test a person whether he is fit for a position or job or not. Am I correct?
Yeah. Yeah,
Okay,
ma'am.
good. Anybody else? If it is the same also, you can repeat. Nothing wrong. But I want you to unmute yourself and say something.
Ma'am,
Face-to-face communication. Ma'am,
an interview is a formal meeting.
Formal meeting. Exactly.
Meeting.
and it is a face-to-face communication. One who assess their skills and their view.
Okay. Yeah, go ahead.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It is the process of asking questions
Okay.
to knowing about she or her fit for job or not.
Okay. Okay. Good. Well said. May I know who is this? May I know who is this?
Sharmila ma'am
Hi,
from
Sharmila.
Tribekata Civil.
Ma?
Sharmila ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Then, good. And anybody else?
Ma'am, one or more interviewer asks the candidate questions whether the candidate is suitable for a job or not.
Very good. Well done. And see, all these are correct definitions. Very good. And anybody else?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, ma?
Yes, ma'am. There are many definitions, but I'd like to go with the word itself, ma'am. Interview, inter and view. It's like more of interfacing, coming across the interviewer and interviewee, where interviewer knows about the interviewee.
So, definition, it's the word itself is definition according to you. Smart answer. Good. And may I know who's this?
Vishwan, ma'am.
Oh, very good. Next. Next, please.
Ma'am, interview is nothing but interaction with the people like HRs and sharing our knowledge. They ask any questions, we can answer by sharing our answers. Then we can prove ourselves what we have knowledge or not in a short time, in a
Okay.
short little time.
Short
We can
span
prove
of
our
time. Okay.
Yes.
Exhibiting your skills in a short span of time.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. May I know who's that?
Gopal.
Gopal. Good. And no issue if the answer is repeated also, but you try to unmute yourself and say something. And that's all. Okay. So as you have said, let me sum up all the points. Okay. It is a formal interview, already prefixed. Okay. It is a formal pre-planned interview meeting. Okay. So a job interview is a formal. You see, it is everything is in a formal setting. Okay. You have to come at this point of time. Your dressing should be formal. Your way of walking should be formal. Okay. The what can I say? The situation around you, the environment should be very formal. Okay. Everything should be formal. So it is a formal meeting which is already pre-planned. Why? To test the suitability of the candidate. To test the suitability of the candidate for a particular post. Okay. So an interview is a formal meeting which is already fixed, which is a pre-planned for the purpose of to test the suitability of the candidate, whether the candidate is suitable for the post or not suitable. To test that, the interview is conducted. Okay, that is an interview. Okay, so the purpose of the HR interview is this. Please go through here on the screen. Purpose. The purpose of the HR interview is to test the personality traits of a candidate. Okay, what sort of person the candidate is? Is he having good leadership skills, or is he very what can I say, aggressive person, or is he very soft person? How we, okay, all these traits are tested in the interview. Okay, to test the personality traits of a candidate and assess the skills of how the candidate behaves in certain situations. So some hypothetical situations will be created and questions will be asked. I tell you what is hypothetical situation. Like it goes like this. The question may be like this. Okay, the employees of a company are on strike because a company lorry has hit the employee and employee lost his life, because of which all the employees are on strike. Fine. So, whom do you support? Do you support the employees or do you support the management? See the question. See the question. Okay. Do you support the employee or do you support the management? Whom do you support? This is the question. Now, if you are the candidate, how do you answer? Unmute yourself and answer it. Anybody? Yes, sir. Yeah.
I would say like I should support with management and the member who has lost his life, but I should say that the management should pay some money to the member who lost his life and his family.
Okay, good. Let me tell you one ground reality. Before you give answers, let me tell you one ground reality. For in the interview, especially for HR round questions, there won't be any, like for HR question, there won't be any apt answer in HR round. Okay, whatever answer you give is correct unless and until you support your answer in a logical way. Understood, everybody? Okay, so your answer is correct. Any answer is correct, but you have to convince your answer. You cannot just give a statement. Okay, whatever you say, you have to say and you have to convince the listener. Understood, everybody? In HR round, especially. Okay, so what the answers, whatever you are saying, I cannot say this is wrong answer or this is correct answer. Whether it is correct or wrong is totally depending upon your convincing way. How you convince that your answer is correct. Everybody got it? Yes. Yeah. Anybody else? Good answer. Good answer just now. Somebody has given. Yeah.
Ma'am, can I?
Yeah. Yes, pleasure. With pleasure, ma'am. Yeah.
I would like to support with the management because the management always the load has been carrying, but the workers has to see that the lorry which was coming, but the employee is the only one who has working from that place or the house, the members who had belonged him. So we need to, the management has to give assurance to have their family. So I will go with this statement, ma'am.
Good. Good. And anybody else? Anybody else? Oh, that's all. So, yeah, please, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'd like to support the employees, ma'am, because the company need to provide. The employee lost his life. The company need to provide a, some funds like to his family. Even though I lost my job, I would like to fight for the employee family, because I didn't do any mistake, ma'am, according to the company, but I just fight for the employee to give their daily needs, like money, giving money, and a satisfactory amount for the family.
Okay, good. And you see, all these are, you see, when you are saying, what is happening is your personality traits are being displayed here. What sort of person you are. Did you understand, everybody? Okay, such type of questions I call hypothetical questions. What are they called? Hypothetical questions. Okay, in those questions, depending upon the answer, whatever you are giving, one can assess what sort of person you are. Are you a logically thinking person, or are you a sentimental person? Okay, or do you have leadership qualities or not? So all these are tested from the answer which is given by you. Understood? Yeah, somebody has answered 376. Ma, please don't text in the chat box. Better you unmute yourself and say, so that everybody can listen and you will get an opportunity to share your thought nicely instead of me reading. What say? Okay, number 376. Please unmute yourself and try to express your point.
Ma'am, since this was an accident and there was it was not a mistake by anyone. So I'll try to negotiate with this with the workers, and I will try to resolve this problem. That is, I will try to prevent the accidents in the office.
You try to negotiate, right? Okay. So you see, negotiating skills. It means that you are having good negotiating skills. See, the answer, whatever you are giving, it says that you are coming with you are expressing or exhibiting your skill, maybe leadership skill, or maybe what can I say, managing skills. Okay, all these will be depicted in the answer, whatever you are giving, right? Very good. So purpose of the interview, this is the purpose of the interview. The purpose of the HR interview is to test the personality traits of a candidate. Understood? To test what sort of person you are, to test that it is, and assess the skills of how the candidate behaves in certain situations. Okay, so let me ask you one more question, a brainstorming question. Okay, again I want more number of students to unmute yourself and give the answers one by one. Okay, the question goes like this. You are working in a MNC, you are working in a company where you are the project leader. Under you, you are having a team along with you, fine, who is working on the same project. Of all, there is one candidate who is not supporting other people to do the work. Understood? He is becoming a disturbance for everybody. Understood, ma? So, how do you handle him? Being a leader of a project leader, what do you do? This is the question. Shall I repeat the question, or is it okay? Shall I repeat the question, or is it okay? Ma, I did not understand.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, or else shall I repeat the question? I repeat the question once again. You are a team leader, you are a project leader, and you have a team along with you in the company, and everybody is very cooperative and coordinative except one candidate, one member. How do you handle him? This is my question. Please unmute yourself and answer. Why silence? I asked you a very simple question. No.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, ma. You can. You can. Everybody get ready with the answers, please. Yeah.
Being a project leader, I can frame myself whenever the situation rises when someone is disturbing the whole team. I had a chance to manage since I had done a project by taking a leadership, so I can handle by ignoring at some times, but also I can manage by observing and retending him or her by giving extra works for him or her. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So you tried to engage him, right? With
Yes, ma'am.
giving extra work. But he is
Engage or
reluctant.
ignore.
He is reluctant to do. He is not doing. He is not taking any work. He is not feeling responsible. Maybe that is one approach. Okay, try it. Good. And maybe that is also correct answer. Right. Again, somebody has dropped a message in the chat. Ma'am, once please repeat, madam, I will ask that. Yeah, 569, Bhuvan. I think you can unmute yourself and say, my dear, Bhuvan. Please unmute yourself. Everybody wants to listen your voice. Yes. Come on. Okay. So, Pujita, if she
Ma'am?
is a team leader, she will handle in that way. Yes, somebody. 5B1.
Ma'am?
Yeah.
Ma'am, first, ma'am, I will ask him whether he is interested in job or not, ma'am. If he is interested in job, I will help him from backside and I will give him support, ma'am. If he is not interested, I make him quit from my team, ma'am.
That he is interested, but he won't do work.
In that case also, I make him quit from my team and I choose a better person to work in that project, ma'am. Because I can't handle. Because in that IT company, we have to do only our work, ma'am. Because others work we can't do by our hand, no, ma'am.
Ma'am? Say you will remove that person from your team?
And yes, ma'am, I will remove him and I take a better person, ma'am. I will give a chance him to do work in better way. If he in that case also, if he is not working, I can't take any chance to lead in my team, ma'am.
That is one approach. Good. First of all, you give him an opportunity to change and get involved in the work. In case if he is still remaining the same, you approach your higher authorities to change the team member. Fine. That
Yes,
might be one approach. Okay.
Ma'am, I had another option also, ma'am. Can I please? Ma'am? Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, very clear. You are audible.
Ma'am, I had another approach to ma'am. That is, if he is getting disturbed and is not engaged with the work, I will check out what makes him to disturb and not working. I will find out the reason first and I will help him in that way, ma'am. In that approach, I will help him. Maybe he may don't know how to do work or something else. I'll be help so that he may engage with the work.
So according to Pujita, she will try to find out the root cause of his disinterest. Am I correct, Pujita? And
Yes,
try
ma'am.
to rectify that root cause so that he will be happily working in the office. Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. And good. And anybody else?
Good evening, ma'am. Ma'am, as we know that working as a team leader in a multinational company or something else, it is very responsible and toughest job. because we have to work with more people with different mentalities and psychology. As we know that if any person does like that, I will give a priority and utmost work to him. Then he will realizes or he will knows more and more about that work. He got involved in that. Even though I will give one chance to him. If he is not responsible for that job, I will give another. Even also he is not do that, I will complain to the HR or other members or general manager, anything else. And he will always take action against him. That is the process in MNCs.
Exactly. Good. Good approach. You see how beautiful thoughts you are getting. Good. And
Ma'am,
very
I'm
good.
376.
Yeah.
Hello.
You are audible, my dear. 376. You are audible.
Yes. If he is inactive, I will meet him in person, and I will. That means I will spend some time with him, and I will give some party like that, and I will explain him the position in which he's. That means the post he's in, and I will explain the role of his position in the company, and I will motivate him to do the work.
Counsel him personally and then make him analyze what is his position and make him to do the work. That is also very good thought. And anybody else? Anybody else? That's all? Okay. So this question is asked to test what sort of skills you are having. Some questions will be asked to test what sort of personality is yours. Are you, what can I say, patiently listening person? Are you having good negotiation skills or not? Okay, your personality traits, good leadership and all. Now, this type of question is asked how you behave in certain situations. A critical situation is there, how you handle that. Okay, so on the whole, that is the purpose of the interview, to test the suitability of the candidate by on what basis? Basis on personality traits and based on the your behavior in certain situations. Okay, all this is done in the interview. Hope it is clear. Yes. Okay, next we move to the next slide. Before we move to the next slide, I have a question again. I have a question. I want more number of students to involve in the discussion. Okay, I am asking you very simple questions and I am asking you very interesting questions also. Am I so? Yes, am I asking or not? So at that
Yes, ma'am.
time, more number of students should be involved. So my next question is, the question goes like this. Tomorrow in Hyderabad at 10 a.m., you are going to attend an interview. What do you do today? I repeat my question. Tomorrow at 10 a.m. in Hyderabad, in Gachibowli, you are going to attend an interview. What do you do today? I welcome your responses.
Brush up on the subject, arrange the certificates, papers, resumes, and all, and be wearing a formal dress and comfortable for the occasion, and plan to reach the place before 10 to 15 minutes, and being with a positive thoughts, ma'am.
Okay, good, good. Okay, brushing up of knowledge, planning to wear what sort of dress, and planning to be on time, before time, and brushing up of subject knowledge. And anything else you said? Did I miss anything?
Arranging papers, certificates, and resume in neat order.
Okay, arranging papers and everything, documents. Okay, and that's all.
Formal dressing, suitable for the occasion.
Yeah. Okay. Yes. Anything else can be done?
Positive thoughts and a pleasant mind, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, you should be positive. Okay. And
That's all, ma'am.
okay, ma. Good. Still anything can be done? Tomorrow you have an interview. Today, what do?
Ma'am, I will start my journey arrangements because Hyderabad is so far from me. So I can arrange my journey, my arrangements, and I will go there and fresh up. And I have to be in tight sleep because if we have a tomorrow interview, we have to sleep tight because we don't have any tension, hesitation. We have a cool meditation. We have more and more about our knowledge. That's why we have to make a good sleep. That's why.
Yeah.
And
Sound sleep
we have
before exam and before interview, no, we should be very cool mind, very relaxed without stress. Okay. So
yes.
you plan in such a way that you have a sound sleep. Okay, good.
Next, we have to take care of the opportunity which have. If it is a core company, we have to analyze the core situations and at all. If it is a civils or something else, we have to take a look on the present daily day situations or something else. If it is a IT company, we have to go through the coding something else. That like we have to plan which company it is or which requirement of the job is. If that is an operator, some sort of knowledge is efficient. If that is for a manager or more higher authorities, we have to study more or we have to know more about the job or that company or that whatever it is. And I will arrange my time before before half an hour or 1 hour I will go there, and I will pleasant and calm, and I will arrange my I will use my hesitation and all, and I will reduce my stress also because we have don't be stressed in the interviews. We know, as we know that. That's it.
Okay, good. May I know your name?
Gopal ma'am.
Gopal. Fine. Okay. Good points to be noted. You see, I am not teaching you anything. You people are only telling me everything. Only thing what we are doing is we are just refreshing our thoughts and our ideas. That's it. Yes or no? Good. And else. After you saying, I try to sum up all the points. And what else to be done?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, before going to interview, we have to do only two things before interview. One, what are the things required to go for interview? And what is the procedure is going to take for interview? If these two questions is in mind, everything will be sorted out and no tension will be there. And before going to interview, we don't study anything because when we study before interview anything something, we only remember only that things and we forget everything. So we lost our job. So before interview will be some patience, and when interview is going on, we should be some patience. And whether and when we are going to interview, we should go by suit or we should go by formal dress. We should know before going to interview. These two questions when it is in mind, everything will sort out.
Good. May I know your good name?
Bhuvan, ma'am.
Bhuvan. Okay, good. And good points. And we should not study or anything in the sense on the day of interview. You mean to say, Bhuvan?
Yes, ma'am. On the day of interview.
On the day of interview. Agreed. Okay. And anything else?
Ma'am, we has to take proper food before interview. I mean, healthy food. That is very important in order to, I mean, we should be healthy, right, first. So we has to take a proper food and good sleep.
Yeah. We should have fine sleep, sound sleep, and good food. Okay, in such a way that we will be energetic. Instead of feeling weak because of hungry and all, we will be energetic. Agreed. And anything else? Anything else?
We should
Ma'am?
also go through company details, ma'am. because they might ask what do you know about the company, or why did you prefer this job or something else, ma'am.
Okay. Definitely, for sure, I'm telling you, there will be a question on a question like, what do you know about our company? There will be this question for sure. Okay. So before the day of interview, you should know the company details. Minimum 5 points you should know about the company. Minimum how many? 5 points. Okay. How do you come to know about the company?
The person Google, ma'am,
Yes.
or the
Google Mata is there.
IITians who are working, maybe our relatives, friends will be someone working with that,
Okay. You see, company
and they
will be having a website.
updated, ma'am.
Yes, exactly. Okay. Company will be having a website, right? Every company has its own website, right? They maintain that website, no? So one should open the website of the company to which you are going to attend the interview and find out at least 5 points, like name of the company, anyhow you'll know, who is the CEO of the company, in which year it has been established, and how many locations the company is having, what is the on what platforms they are having the projects, what is the turnover, okay, how many employees are working over there, minimum things you can find in the website. Okay, so what you're supposed to do is you have to open the website of the company and find out these details. Minimum 5. It indicates your interest towards the job in that company. Okay, when you are unable to answer that question, what do you know about a company? If you are unable to answer, then it indicates that you are not like so interested to join the company. When you tell about the company details, it reflects your interest, or what can I say, you're striving or you're strive to join the company. So better before the day of interview, one should open the website of the company and have minimum 5 to 6 points about the company. Okay, good. And
Ma'am.
yeah.
Ma'am, when I am going to when I am going to interview, what do you know about companies? I will tell 2 points, ma'am. Positive and negative. Positive, I will say what type of projects they are going on, something. Negative, I will find the remarks what are the company is facing at the position, why they are facing that remark in this company, and I will tell maybe 1 or 2 points to rectify that remarks. Yeah, in that way they will helpful in that company, and they will get a idea to choose me in that job.
Okay, but let me tell you, for everybody I'm telling this, if a question is like this, do you think our company is a market leader? What answer do you give? Everybody, do you agree that our company is a market leader? What do you say?
I will give a genuine answer. I will search for that company and I will give a genuine answer, because everyone knows nowadays we have social platform. Then I will give a genuine answer about that company, what that positions it has. That's it.
Okay. Let me tell you. Let me tell everybody that though the company is in a great loss, you should say company is leading in the market.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Company is market leader. Though the company is at loss, okay, you should say in positive only when you go for interview.
Okay. I will give positive points, but I don't want to show that company as a superior. Okay. If it is a superior company, then we will also say that. If that company is a great position, we will said it is a great, but it is in a lower position. How it set great?
Yeah, it is a market leader. Maybe because of fluctuation right now, it is little bit low, but still it is a market leader.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. When you go go for interview, that if that question is asked, you have to tell in this way only. Okay? Yes? Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Right. Anybody? Any more points? What you do before the day of interview? As one of your friends, I think Pujita, she said, I'll make all the documents and all and all. Okay, all the documents you carry in hand.
No, ma'am.
No,
No, ma'am.
I
Folder.
have file. I
Folder.
have and folder.
Folder. Can I call it as file?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
File.
You can call it as file.
A file. You make a file, right? Okay. What are the things you present in the file, by the way?
Main
CV.
resume, our resume and
Certificates
certificate.
of interview call letter,
Resume.
certificates, interview call letter,
Okay. And
If we have any reference, that letter also, ma'am.
reference
Reference
letter.
letter.
Good. Right. And Chalo, first tell me, when one open the file, what is the first thing to be seen?
Resume.
interview call letter, ma'am.
Okay, first what should be there on the first order? On the order, the first one should be call letter. After call letter,
Resume, ma'am.
resume. After resume,
Certificates that we had done a project, ma'am. We will get a certified, ma'am.
okay.
That certificate should be the next one, and it should.
After resume, you mean to say certificates?
Yes, ma'am.
Project certificate.
Yes, ma'am.
No. Then you should put highest qualification certificate. Like if you have completed your BTech, then BTech. Under that, intermediate. Under that, 10th. It should be in reverse chronological order. Understood, everybody? Okay. So first is the call letter. Under call letter, resume. Under resume, the highest qualified certificate. Okay. Under that, project. Under that, any co-curricular or extracurricular certificates. Under that, if any training like if any other certificates and all, if you have any skill oriented certificates and all that, and under that, few white papers. Under that, few white papers. And you should also carry photostat copies of your documents. Documents in the sense, certificates. Understood? You have to carry at least 1 or 2 sets of photostat copies of your certificates. Understood? Along with them, you should also have like 2 passport size photos. These are the things which you are supposed to put in the file. I repeat once again. Lend your ears. I repeat once again. Number 1, call letter. The very first thing one should find when you open a file is your call letter. After that, your resume, and then your documents related to your education, academics and all. Okay. And that too in the reverse chronological order. Like BTech, final year, BTech, third year, second, first year, and then intermediate, and then at the bottom, 10th. After that, any project and all, certifications and all, courses or extracurricular certificates. If you have won some zonals or district level games and all, that also you can place. And then 2 or 3 empty white papers. Okay. And photostat copies of your certificates, and then 2 passport size photos. All these should be kept in a file and make a file before the day of interview. See to it that your resume changes, make some changes in your resume depending upon the company to which you are attending an interview. It is, if it is core side, if it is software side, if it is hardware side company, hardware company, depending upon that you have to make small changes in the resume. And overall, before the day of interview itself, your file should be ready in these orders. Hope I'm clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, yeah, okay. So understood now, understood the order. It's called reverse chronological order. Okay, that's the documents you are putting and the reverse, the highest qualification on the top you are putting. Okay, generally what we do, we put 10th, intermediate, and then BTech. No, first top should be BTech in the certificates point of view. Okay, and of all these things, there is one thing you should carry. What is that? Unmute yourself and say.
Pen, ma'am.
Exactly. Many times, you know, I see many times. If you even in our college also, people come to fill the form and all. Okay, you sign if we say, then immediately, where is the pen? Where is the pen? They look at left and right. They know that they don't carry the pen, so they don't. They say that is not correct. The first eligibility of a student or a candidate is to carry a pen. Okay, make a habit of carrying a pen. Being a student and being a final year and third years, okay, you should make this habit, inculcate this habit of carrying a pen. It is a must. Okay, right. And what else are the things to be done before the day of interview? That's all. All points are covered.
Yes, ma'am. We covered all aspects.
In the interview, the question goes like this. May I know what is today's hot topic on English newspaper? What do you answer? What do you answer for this? So, here what I want to convey is, you should have general awareness. Okay? From last 1 week, what are the things going on in India and in the world? You should have minimum knowledge. You should have minimum knowledge regarding what is happening around you in the society, in India and in the world. For sure, there will be a question. If the HR is really a senior person, okay, he will ask. Definitely, he will read newspaper and come. That particular day newspaper and come. Okay, he'll read and come, and he questions. Can I know what is the headline in the Hindu, today's Hindu? Don't forget to read the newspaper of that day before you go to interview. For sure, if really a HR is a senior person, there will be a question over that. So on the whole, you should have the awareness. Did you watch this movie? What is that? Gunjan Saxena?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. When she goes for interview, you know, some general
Yes, ma'am.
topics will be asked. Okay? Yeah. Okay. So in that way, you should be updated with the information what is happening around you. Got it? Okay. Especially, don't forget to read the newspaper of that particular day and go and attend the interview. No, you should have minimum knowledge. Today, what is the headline? Understood? Okay. And let us see what is that things which you are supposed to do on the day of interview. Yeah. Pre-interview preparation or pre-interview planning it is called. It is called pre-interview preparation or pre-interview planning. The first one, dress to impress. Okay, you have to plan to dress properly in formals. Boys, how do you dress? With light color shade shirts and neatly pressed, okay, and grooming hair properly, not with spikes and all. Other day we watched that video, right? Okay, not like that. Okay, you have to groom your hair and also clean shave, boys. You should have clean shave, okay, and not the topmost button, but the first button, it should be buttoned. It should not be left open, okay, and tuck your shirt is a must. You have to tuck your shirt, and you should button your handcuffs. You have generally, boys, some people, most of the people I see in our college also, okay, you fall, no, when you go for interview, you have to button your handcuffs and tuck. And shoes is a must. Neatly polished shoe is a must. Okay, this is about boys. And then coming to girls. Girls, kind request, don't land directly from beauty parlor to interview hall. No. Okay, you should present yourself in a very simple and pleasant way. You also, like in India and especially in Andhra and Telangana, we have the chudidar, very formal dressings. Okay, it should not be like crazy colors and informals and all. No, it should be very formal in light color shades and pleasant. And see to it that all the hair don't fall onto the face. No, it should be pleasant. Understood? So you have to dress formally to impress. Clear first point? Then make rehearsals and be confident. Okay? Before the day of interview, make rehearsals. See, some questions are very common questions. Like tell me what are the common questions which you can prepare before only?
Tell us a little self-introduction, ma'am.
Introduction, right? Okay. So as the question is open secret, you have to be thorough with that. Be thorough with that. Make rehearsals. Number of time, make rehearsals of that answering that question. Okay. At home, you have siblings and you have people in the family, right? Okay. Tell them n number of times in such a way that they get by heart. But see to it, see, every time you tell, you know what happens, your confidence levels will be increasing inch by inch. So you tell number of times. When you tell, what happens, when your confidence levels increases, automatically your body language also will be very confident. Okay, you can use mobiles. You can use mobiles to rehearsal, like video and audio recording you can make, and you can rectify yourself where you are going wrong. This is also one way of making rehearsals. Understood? So in this way, make rehearsal. Even you can stand in front of mirror and practice. When you feel that, yes, I'm confident, you can take a video shoot of your presentations. Okay, so make rehearsals and be confident. Understood? Then third one, revise the subject thoroughly. Okay, so you should revise the subject. Why you should revise the subject? Definitely there will be few subject questions. Okay, I'll revise the latest ones and all, whatever are there, you will revise. But if you don't touch the basics, HR may think, okay, let me not trouble by asking all the things, latest ones. Okay, let me ask simple questions, basic questions, so that they can answer. And he will ask very simple questions, basics, questions on basics of your stream. Then if you are not able to, then he get an impression that, oh my God, what is this candidate, don't have any basic knowledge also. But that the thing what you have struggled to get all that latest things and all will not come into his picture. Okay, so you brush up the knowledge, all these before the day of interview, not on the day of interview, my dear. Okay, so before the day of interview, you have to brush up the knowledge from basics. Okay, I think it's getting 4:20 already. Okay, shall we stop here for today? Shall we stop here for today? Yes. Anybody having any doubts, you can ask so that we can discuss and wind it up. Anybody, you can unmute yourself and ask if you have any doubts. Till here. We continue in the next class, the remaining. Yeah. No doubts?
No doubts, ma'am.
No doubts, ma'am? If anybody having any doubt, you can just bring the doubt to the discussion so that we all together can come to an answer for that. No? That's all, ma'am? Still, some people did not give self-introduction. I want a few people to give tomorrow. I mean, on Wednesday. Wednesday we have class, right? So on that day, I want some of the students to give self-introduction. Can I take it for granted that few people will turn up? Or if you feel that if any other topics, madam, we want this topic to be focused on. If anything as such, please let me know. Please let me know so that we will have discussion on those topics also. Okay. Why? Okay. Shall we call it a day then? Again on Wednesday, we will meet with a few self-introductions and we continue with the same topic, that is pre-interview skills. See, we are coming in a strategical way. What is an interview? How the interview will be planned, okay? And what is how the HR will plan to conduct the interview, and then before the day of interview, what should be done? Next, on the day of interview, what to be done? Do's and don'ts. All these things we are going to discuss in a strategical way. Okay, right? So with this, let me call it a day. Thank you. Yeah, somebody has given me a message. Okay, fine, right. Okay. Then thank you, ma. You can leave the meeting. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.